Hey guys, Chef Greg here with Chef Ben. We're here at the Henny corporate office, and we're in one of the many corporate test kitchens that we have here in Eaton, Ohio. So one of the products that we're cooking today is something that's really been on trend recently. It's a product called Quorn, Q-U-O-R-N, and it's a myco-protein, and it's really delicious. Today we're doing 2.5 ounce nugget. One of the things that we notice is when we cook this product and we put it side by side with either a chicken breast or chicken nuggets, and after you toss it with sauce or you dress it in the sandwich, people couldn't tell. They couldn't tell. And a lot of people preferred the Quorn product to the chicken breast product. So we're going to our pressure fryer over here. Typically, because we have it at open fry, you don't have to have the pressure fryer always set at pressure. We have it at non-pressure. One of the great things about this product, it alleviates the no vote. So when you're going into a restaurant and you're with a group of 5 or 10 people and you have somebody there who doesn't eat meat, this is a great way of doing it. And we're gonna toss it with some sweet Thai chili. It's really delicious. Once you try it, you'll enjoy it as well, and you'll see how great it is. With Henny as your partner, you've got this.